Project na matagal matapos-tapos. Sobrang galing ng mga gumagawa. Apo. Oh.
Play namin si dito,
Sige.
On the corner where the shadows creep, whispers of the city, secrets they keep. Underneath the street lamp steady burn. Life's a game of dice, wait in your turn. City lights shine, but they never show the truths we hide, the things we don't know. Concrete jungle beats in the air. Dreams take flight, but beware, beware.
Yan mga karon. Sisimula na ang
Graffiti
exit
tells
door.
tales on the subway line. Lost souls searching, trying to redefine. Echoes of struggle in alleys tight, fighting for a moment under neon light. Corners hum with a jazzy groove. Time stands still, it's hard to move. The rhythm of life, fast and slow. Navigate the
Ayan
days,
ang
let
mga
the
karon.
story flow.
Mayroon na siyang cover. Sinisimulan na rin ang exit door. Dito ay pa-primer ko na. Dito naman agalang na mga karon. Yung mga dabarkads natin, Kino, babaero yan. Ilang puro ba din yung nagkakagusto sa kanya. Si Brother Josel kakasal na. Matindi yan, yung pinakamabait natin. Concrete jungle beats in the air. Dreams take flight, but beware, beware. Boy Gal. Saan tayo? Brother Alex. Okay na, Brother Josel? Kakape kayo? Ito na po pagkalipas ng isang buwan. Sige lang, kape lang kayo dyan ng Black Coffee. Kape ka lang ng Black Coffee. Yan ang bintana. Sinisimulan na rin varnish to mga karon. Siguro bago mag-December tapos na rin. Thanks for watching. Nona.